Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar East. Today's topic is C Programming Language, chapter number 4, Functions, part 4. The learning course outcomes are scope of variable, local variable, global variable, parameters in function call, methods of parameter passing and recursive function. Scope of variable. A scope is in any programming is a region of the program where a defined variable can have its existence and beyond that variable it cannot be accessed. There are three places where variable can be declared in C programming language, that is local variable and global variable. Local variable. Variables that are declared inside a function or a block are called a local variable. They can be used only by statements that are inside that function or block of code. Local variables are not known to function outside their own. The following example shows how a local variable are used. Here all the variables ABC are local variables. And this example is discussed in practical session. That local variables means the variable which is declared in an inside function and accessed in an inside function only. It can be accessed by the outside of the function. Global variable. A global variable are defined outside a function, usually at the top of the program, and global variables hold their values throughout the lifetime of your program, and they can be accessed inside any of the function defined for the program. So the global variables are defined in the outside of the function, or it can access by inside of the function. When we initialize the value of that variable, the value is lifetime for that variable or for that the global variable. So it is called a global variable which is defined at the top of the program, that means outside of the function, and access in a inside of any function. Parameter in function call. There are different ways in which parameter data can be passed into or out of methods and functions. So let us assume that a function B is called from another function A. So in this case, A is called or caller function and B is a called function. Also, the arguments which A sends to B are called actual parameters and the parameters of B are called formal arguments. Formal parameter, a variable and its type as they appear in the prototype of a function or method. Actual parameter, the variable or expression corresponding to formal parameters that appears in the functions or method call in the calling environment. The methods of parameter passing are: when a function gets called, there are two possibilities of order in which the actual parameters are passed to the function definitions and maps with a formal parameters. Parameters in a function call can be passed in two ways: call by value and call by reference. Call by value. The call by value method of passing arguments to a function copies the actual value of an argument into the formal parameters of the function. In this case, changes made to the parameter inside the functions and have no effects on the argument. So in the call by value method, the value of an actual parameter is copied into the formal parameters. So in other words, we can say that the value of the variable is used in a function call in the call by value method. So in the call by value method, we cannot modify the value of the actual parameters by the formal parameters. So in call by value, different memory is allocated for the actual and formal parameters, since the value of the actual parameter is copied into the formal parameter. The actual parameter is the argument which is used to function call, whereas a formal parameter is the argument which is used in the function definition. Second is the call by reference. The call by reference method of passing arguments to a function copies the address of an argument into the formal parameter. Inside the function, the address is used to access the actual arguments used in the call. It means the changes made to the parameter affects the pass argument. So in call by reference, the address of the variable is passed into the function call as the actual parameter. The value of the actual parameter can be modified by changing the formal parameters since the address of the actual parameter is passed. So in call by reference, the memory allocation is similar for both formal parameters and actual parameters. So all the operations in the functions are performed on the value stored at the address of the actual parameters, and the modified value gets stored at the same address. The difference between call by value and call by reference are: the definition is, while calling a function, when you pass a values by copying variable, it is known as call by value. Call by reference definition is, while calling a function in a programming language, instead of copying the values of variables, the address of the variable is used. It is known as call by reference. The argument in call by value are: in this method, a copy of variable is passed. In call by reference, variable itself is passed. Effects of call by value are: the changes made in a copy of variable never modify the value of variable outside the function. In call by reference, the changes made in the variable also affects the value of the variable outside of the function. Alteration of value. In call by value does not allow you to make any changes in the actual variable. In call by reference, it allows you to make changes in the value of variable by using the function call. Passing of variable. The values of variables are passed using the straightforward method. In call by reference, pointer variables are required to store the address of variable. Value modification. The call by reference, original value are not modified. In call by reference, original value is modified. Memory location. Actual and formal arguments will be created in different memory location. Call by reference, actual and formal arguments will be created in the same memory location. Safety. Actual arguments remain safe as they cannot be modified accidentally. Call by reference, actual arguments are not safe. They can be accidentally modified. So you need to handle arguments operation carefully. And default in call by value are: default in many programming languages like C++, PHP, Visual Basic, .NET and C#. Call by reference is supported by the most programming language like Java, but not as default. Recursive function. The recursive is a process which comes into existence when a function calls a copy of itself to work on a smaller problem. So any function which calls itself is called recursive function, and such function calls are called recursive calls. So recursion involves several numbers of recursive calls. The program related recursive function will discuss in practical session. So all the programs related this part and the function chapter will be learned and discussed in a practical session only. Thank you.